Wear comfortable shoes. Make sure you have shoes that have good traction and support. Avoid high heels or flip-flops, as they can increase your risk of slipping or falling. Slips and falls are the leading cause of workplace injuries, accounting for 15% of all accidental deaths. As you're walking, you may need to carry items. This can be tricky if you don't want to lose your balance or control. To keep yourself safe, keep the items close to your body and keep your hands free. A quarter of all reported falls in the workplace are caused by carrying items that block the employee's view. Be careful where you walk. Avoid tripping hazards like cords, boxes, and tools. Slow down as you walk through the area and take extra care when navigating the clutter. Falls are the third leading cause of unintentional injury deaths in the United States, accounting for more than 8 million visits to the emergency room each year. Keeping your eyes and ears open while walking is the best way to stay safe. You should also avoid using your phone or other electronic devices while walking, since these can distract you and increase your risk of an accident. If you're working at height, follow all safety procedures and use proper equipment. Don't take shortcuts or try to bypass safety measures. By following these tips and staying aware of your surroundings, you can help prevent accidents and keep yourself safe while working on walking surfaces.